Welcome to the Weather Centre on Monday, where the morning starts off with some fog along the northeastern escarpment between Limpopo and KwaZulu-Natal. We're also expecting some morning fog along the west coast with a partly cloudy and dry Monday along South Africa's coastline. It'll be an uncomfortably hot day for the Little and Central Karoo, as well as the interior part of the Eastern Cape. And then we'll see thundershowers forming between Namibia and the Northern Cape and the northeastern and eastern interior. We're also forecasting some light rainfall, and that's over the southern part of South Africa, mainly on Monday night. Here's our rainfall probability map showing scattered thunderstorms between Namibia and the Northern Cape. You'll see isolated thundershowers as we head towards the Free State and the Highveld, as well as the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, with a slight possibility of thundershowers over the southern interior. And then here's the possibility of evening rainfall over the southern part of South Africa. Temperatures remain hot in the northeast with highs in the low and middle 30s. Bombela 34 degrees, 31 for Johannesburg, and Palabor is still topping 37. A few degrees cooler but still hot for Bloemfontein at 35, with a sizzling hot Monday, particularly over the interior part of the Eastern Cape. Highs head well into the middle and upper 30s, 36 for Ladysmith and Pietermaritzburg at 33 degrees. We keep in the low 30s along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline, but with highs remaining in the upper 20s along the Eastern Cape coast. A moderate southwesterly wind is forecast for Port Elizabeth, with a strong northeasterly wind for Port St John's and East London. Fresh winds are expected as we head towards Richards Bay, with a 1.5 metre easterly swell at 8 seconds along the east coast. Sizzling hot with a high of around 40 degrees for Beaufort West, Craigienet and Somerset East, all with an uncomfortable day in store. We head into the mid-30s for Robertson and Vredendal. Along the coast, you'll see a southeasterly wind for Muizenberg at 35 kilometres per hour, with a maximum temperature of 26. We keep in the mid-20s all the way through to Plettenberg Bay, with a 28-degree maximum in Jeffreys Bay and a moderate southwesterly wind. You'll see a moderate southerly wind for Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, with a 2.5 metre southwesterly swell at 14 seconds. 37 degrees is your high in Uppington and De Aar, with a maximum of 33 for Sutherland and Springbok. We might see some morning fog along the west coast. Alexander Bay topping 23 degrees with a strong southerly wind in the afternoon. You'll also see a strong southerly wind for Langebaan and a fresh southerly wind for Table Bay. 28 degrees between Cape Town and Lambert's Bay, with a 3 metre southwesterly swell and a long wave period of 14 seconds. On Tuesday, thundershowers are expected from Uppington and Kimberley all the way through to the Eastern Cape coast. Hot and dry over the northeastern and eastern part of South Africa, as well as in the west, where maximum temperatures peak in the mid-30s. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Monday.